In this lecture, we will discuss about the waterfall model. Basically, the diagram of waterfall model, which we will see in the next lecture, is look like a waterfall. That's why this model is called as waterfall model. Waterfall model is a basic model that is very simple to understand and use. It also called as linear sequential life cycle model or classical life cycle model. In waterfall model, each phases must be completed before the next phase can begin, and there is no overlapping in the phases. There are total 5 phases in this model. So this model also called as 5-phase models. In the next lecture, we will discuss the phases of waterfall model. See you in the next lecture.